It's learning time.
It's learning time.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to be doing 5 senses activities.
We do,
All right, what's that word?
taste, smell, see, touch, ear.
What's that word again? All right. All right, so you got to tell me what word goes here. What you do with your nose? Do you taste, smell, see, touch, or hear with your nose?
Smell.
Okay, so we're going to write smell right there. Okay, so what do we do with our eyes? Taste, smell, see, touch, or hear. Okay. Okay, and what do we do with our ears? Taste, smell, see, touch, or hear.
I got it.
Alright. Alright, and what do we do with our mouth?
Say okay.
Okay then. Alright, and what do we do with our hands?
Say okay. See.
Alright, which one you gonna play?
Oh no, it's going down. Wait, go away.
Alright. Okay. Okay! Great job!
Now, start keeping.
Alright. Okay, great job!
Yankee Doodle.
Okay.
Baby had a nickname.
Alright. Okay. Baba Black Sheep.
Baba bless it.